What is good, guys? Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Um, go over our analysis right now. I don't really know if I'm going to trade today. I might take a potential short here, and I'll go over why. So if you look here on the daily time frame, we have SMT at the highs here on the previous week high. We swept them out on the S&P, but we did not sweep them out on NASDAQ, so I'd be looking for a trade on NASDAQ. If we go to the 1 hour time frame here, there's a lot going on the screen right now. We have just kind of pushed up. I actually missed this trade opportunity right here, which is sweep out the lows there, the manipulation phase, and then missed out on that distribution. So we're kind of going to be looking for that reversal phase. See if we can get that at all, but we have SMT at the high here. We just swept out these 15-minute highs. I wouldn't even say swept, we did displace through it, but we have these 15-minute highs here that we took out. So now I'm kind of just looking for some confirmation on the lower time frames for an entry. We do have this gigantic fair value gap, so I'm going to just keep cautious on that. Keep that in mind that we might continue going higher, so I won't be looking to enter right away. I want to see some more price action and kind of just go from there. I'd like to see cleaner price action and just more price action, just stating that hey, we are going to the downside. So if we can like respect fair value gap, maybe even get like a turtle soup SMT here on the 1 minute to 5 minute time frame, that will give me more confirmation that we are heading more to the downside. So right now I'm just sitting back and waiting for that to happen. We have disrespected this 5 minute fair value gap on S&P. I'm just concerned on this one here. Well, we have a higher time frame liquidity sweep, which is what I think can make us go lower. And on top of that, we've taken out session highs, previous day high, previous week high. Taking out a lot of buy side, so we can get break a structure here with a fair value gap, but then we also get, break these and inverse these fair value gaps. I'm more than open to enter. Probably a lower risk trade though. But right now we're getting SMT at the lows here. So I just want to see what happens here. I still see a reason. I don't want to long just because we're so high up into premium. Just don't like this either. Yeah, the only thing that's like really making me not want to enter anything is we have SMT at the low, which at that low we tapped into this fair value gap, tapped into this big 5 minute fair value gap. Like I see us maybe retracing a bit lower to come to like the 50% mark, but I just don't want to. I don't like trading onto these fair value gaps. But I like how we're getting a lot of SMT at the top. I think we might just continue tanking. We've already missed out on main move. I don't want to be chasing this. I was going to take this, but then the stop loss would have had to have been up here, and I just didn't like that stop loss. Could have taken this, but we didn't have any inverse fair value gaps here, and we had all these down here. So I was like, okay, well, we're obviously could respect all of these, so I didn't like that. I just didn't like this. I'm not gonna lie. And that's fine. Like, miss out on a move regardless. I got the bias and I got the trades technically correct. I just wasn't feeling the entry model. I don't think I'm going to take it. Sorry, I don't think I'm going to take anything. Like, I wanted price to return to this guy. Bias was right. We just never came up to any of the entry points I wanted to see. Yeah, I don't know. I just didn't like it. We literally have 2 more minutes. There's no way we're getting an entry in 2 minutes. Yeah, guys, I'm not gonna take the trades. I'm done for today. I'm just not trading. Got the bias right. Everything was correct. Execution was poor. But I just didn't really feel confident because like how S&P and NASDAQ have been, they've been super bullish. So I understand like we have S&P at the highs on the higher time frame, which is why we're tanking, right? We just swept at the highs. But I just personally wasn't confident, and it never came actually up to our entry points. Like I said, like I was gonna take this trade if it was gonna tap into the fair value gap, but like as you can see, it just made relative equal highs there. Same with this side here. If you come over to here, we have the SMT tapped into there. Like I could have entered right off there, but I wanted to see a bit more confirmation. Could have entered anywhere here. Didn't have an inverse fair value gap, so I didn't want to enter there. Plus, never came up to here. No inverse fair value gaps here, and then we were also going to be fighting against a lot of 15-minute fair value gaps here, so that's kind of why in 5 minutes. So I don't know, that's why I'm staying out. Was it the best move? I don't know, but you know, I didn't want to take any risk. Like I just didn't feel confident in it, just because there's so many reasons for us to do a reversal. So I could have entered, hit one of the higher time frame fair value gaps, then we could have just kept going higher. Even though I know we swept at the highs, it's just how S&P and NASDAQ have been recently. It's just they've literally just been bullish, so bullish. So I'm happy with how today turned out, just because you know didn't lose any money. So and got biased, right? So I can't complain on that half. Hey guys, I'm not trading today because we're already really far down, and actually that was probably a good trade opportunity right here. Tap into there, enter off of that. But anyways, I know I'm saying that because I see hindsight, but I just didn't feel confident, like I said, because of all the higher time frame fair value gaps. Anyways, guys, if you like these videos, hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button. The Discord's in the description if you guys want to join that. Trade with me, trade with my friend Jake, who trades London session Euro USD. But other than that, I'm done for the week, so I'll see you guys Monday. I hope you have a great weekend.